It is Sunday night, and I am standing outside on my deck right now, looking over the entire view that we have, and I just need to step back and think how good life really is. Did have a bit of a tragedy over the weekend. Our last pet, Luigi, our cat, died. He passed away yesterday morning, and so we finally got him buried today. So that's what I was doing all weekend. So now I'm gonna get back into editing, filming, try to get my mind off of it. But he was 17, so he lived a good life. There are some times that life overwhelms you and you just get down on yourself, you get overwhelmed, and it's just very important to take a step back and rethink what you are doing in life. I try to always be observant of my surroundings, try not to get overwhelmed with my thoughts. I talk to myself out loud. That helps me clear my mind. So I really love this behind the scenes feature that or behind the scenes channel that I've started, because it allows me to get my thoughts off my chest. And instead of talking into the mirror or myself, I'm able to talk to you guys. And these birds are insane. Let's see if I can get a video of them. Let's check out the birds. They go and sit up in this tree, and then they just go and do a dive bomb and an aerial show. I don't know where they went, but we have ponds next to our house, and the birds are crazy. We got a lot of wildlife over here, but this is a beautiful fall night. I'm very, very privileged to have this view to overlook and think about what I want to do with my life and this YouTube channel. Like I said, no one is ever too busy to take a step back from their priorities and think about what they're doing in life, because I like to be aware of my thoughts and what I'm doing. And so, yeah, just want to take a second to tell you guys that I'm enjoying this process of the behind the scenes channel. So, take in this this beautiful fall evening here. It is currently 45 degrees, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So let's get into recording Leon Claw. My process of making videos is different. I got a gimbal, and it's got a face tracker on it, so it's kind of fun to use. So I don't really know what the process is behind this video of Leon Claw. I try to make videos that entertain people, give people the most knowledge, but viewer retention is something that I have struggled with so far, that I thought it was my rambling or short, brief talking intros that lost people. So I tried to do a cool B-roll shot of my Viper tail unboxing, but that didn't seem to do as well as I was hoping. So I don't know, maybe it was too long, but I'm gonna find a middle ground between all those. Got a lot of ideas for edits that I want to manage, but I don't exactly know how to make them yet. I have a lot of software that I'm trying to figure out how to use, and don't have a lot of time to learn. Like I said, I do work other jobs instead of YouTube. This is kind of just a hobby for now. I'm hoping to replace one of my jobs with YouTube by this time next year. So fingers crossed. Thanks to you guys. Hopefully that will happen. But I'm going to think a little longer about this Land Claw video, what I want to do for it, and update you guys then. Found this tripod that we had. We found it somewhere, but it is an old Japanese tripod, and it is one of the best things that I've ever found. I was looking for a tripod that did exactly what this one did. I found a very garbage one on Amazon. I ended up returning it, but this does everything I wanted to. It has an extension here that allows me to do overhead shots or get closer to the suspect or subject. So it can do that. Also has different height adjustments, and it has this nice, really smooth adjustable pan arm, so I can get some nice smooth B-roll with it. This is what I'm using to get my B-roll shots. A very old tripod from Japan, but it is honestly an amazing piece of equipment. Solid build, beautiful. So I think I'm going to do some whip pans with this to get some shots of Viper tail. I'm debating if I want to put it on my turntable or not. So that is the next theory, if I want to do that. You guys are now on the amazing tripod that I have, and I'm going to show you how I set up my B-roll shots. This is what I thought up for my Viper tail video, and it works beautifully. So I have, if you guys haven't heard of Displate, they're metal posters, not sponsored. They're pretty cool though. Expensive, but cool. So I have some of those. I replaced the ones on my wall, so I have a few lying around that are extra. I have a trash can here. Take my turntable. It is a mirror after all, so piece of paper there so it doesn't get scratched. I had a cover that came with it. I don't know what happened with it. Probably threw it out when I was cleaning. Then the disc plate. And then that fits pretty perfect on the disc plate. And now, if I slide this out here, I have an elevated full set turntable here. So this is my setup to how I get this B-roll. An elevated turntable with a disc plate and my mat on it. So very cool effect. And when it comes to YouTube, the ingenuity is off the chart with me. So this is great. Finish the intro. I found a very sick effect with that tripod that I love how it turned out. The post-production I've already started on. It's pretty clean. So I'm proud of this intro for Lay on Claw. Now I'm going to get into the overhead cam, figure out exactly how I want to review Lay on Claw. So that is step 2. Got all the videos uploaded here, so I'm going to edit this together. I need to grab a thumbnail, so we'll figure that out. But I just had to show you guys this masterpiece of audio that I had to record. Lay on Claw. That is beautiful. I'm probably going to make a members-only page that I give to, like, unedited stuff, because I say some golden things that I just can't include in the video. So, editing starts now. It is 11:45. Got to get a thumbnail and finish editing for tomorrow. So, I believe that'll do it for this episode. I will probably update you guys when I'm done editing, but we got it all filmed, so yay. Got it all done. Exporting now. If you guys made it to the end of this video, have you ever watched a video in 4K on YouTube? Because most of my stuff I edit in 4K and film, but I've started just doing it in 1080, but I don't know the quality that you guys watch it in, because, you know, my Wi-Fi is great and it auto plays at 144p, so I couldn't even take advantage of 1080. So let me know what resolution you guys watch in the comments below if you made it to the end of this video. Check it out on the main channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.